I see you there. Right, I can see that you've watched our presentation, but you didn't book a call with me or my team. So there must be some silly reason you haven't done that. Right, I want to show you a few little hacks that you can generate some more sales and more leads to your business. So what we can do is we can use Google. A reasonable amount of people aren't using Google. But I guess it's how you use Google is the key thing and what people get wrong. So let's say Google search. I'll use car dealerships at the moment just because I've got that fresh in my brain. It's one of our clients, we just got mad results for one of our car dealerships. The difference is in when people do Google ads, they pick the wrong keywords. Okay, so let's say for example we go Ford Focus. Okay, Ford Focus. So people are using Ford Focus to try and sell a Ford Focus. No, that's wrong. Someone typing that in could type in, my Ford Focus is broken. And then you're putting an ad in front of them. My Ford Focus oil doesn't work. My Ford Focus makes a funny noise. My Ford Focus does this. My Ford Focus lights. My Ford Focus this. Ford Focus lights not working. Ford Focus aircon not working. Anything that people type in, you are paying money to put in front of them. Do you see how silly that is? How much money you are wasting? Now let me show you a keyword. Ford Focus for sale near me. Hear that? Ford Focus for sale near me. Do you see the difference in that sentence? They want to buy a Ford Focus. So we will now put an ad in front of them with that keyword search. So if you're running Google ads, I hope you are doing this right. If now this has just gone ting, I don't have a clue what this guy's on about, I need to know. Then go ahead and book a call with me and my team and we will show you this simple process. But wait, if you need more, keep watching. But like I said, you want this set up, book a call. It's a free call at the moment. They will be charged soon, but they are currently free still. Go ahead, book that. And me or one of the team will show you a few little simple ways on how you can generate this. Okay? But let me add to this. So originally you was doing this or nothing. Okay? But we now got this keyword. Okay? So we're going to go use this keyword, specific keyword. Okay? These things right here are so powerful. You will understand if you use Google Ads. But what we can now do is people that have now searched this, we could put a Facebook ad and another Google ad in front of them. So people that have searched this specific keyword, visited your website, we now put a beautiful Facebook ad straight in front of them. Facebook ad. Yeah? Just because they've searched that. So what do you think I'm going to put this ad as? Monkeys? Dogs? Cats? No! It's going to be a Ford Focus because that's what they're looking for. So it's going to be, hey, we are a car dealership. We are here. We have a Ford Focus. Look at our Ford Focus range. It'll be a picture of Ford Focuses or a video of Ford Focuses. And then people are going to be interested. And once they opt in, we'll then send them an email. Automatically, I might add. We'll then send them a text message. Automatically, I might add. And if you don't know how to do this, again, me and my team can run you through these little things. Just book yourself a call right now with me and my team and we will show you simple steps on how you can add this to your business or how you can get us to run your ads for you. And then once you get people that open and click these emails and text messages, you then just create another ad. Okay? You've now got another ad. This could be Google, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, wherever you want it to be. But you only show it to people that open this, yeah? Or open or click this. So now do you see what type of ad you've got here? A prime buyer. And that is how you generate more leads and more sales for your business. This can be done with any business. Any business. Remember that. Any business. Google search how many people Google things that they want. They Google it because they want it. They're a buyer. They want it. Tell them. Put something in front of them. Sell them. That is your job, putting the thing in front of them that they want to buy. Use the tools that you have. Book a call with me and my team and we will set this up for you. I'll see you on the inside.